Let's do some fun today. So this is PoseIQ and Hossein, and you can go to CAD.PoseIQ.com. What CAD means? It means computer-aided design. Usually, engineers in general, or mechanical, or many of the different engineering disciplines use it to design and simulate and the like. So we want to do it on human body or in general on a video. So imagine we have two options here: using your own camera, then your own camera will appear and you can get the pose or not pose. So basically, as you are seeing your pose, what you can do is get central mass. Is not necessarily central mass. It is like a center of what you can see within that frame. If you go back and forth, this might change. You can get the ghost, so you can see. You can get the angle. So if you choose, you'll pick those ones that are around, and then you can basically you can see just right tracking that angle, and you can get the distance. So of course, first the distance would be pixel, right? I'll tell you more about this. You can make it turn it into what you like centimeter or the like. And you can even draw like in CAD area. So you want to focus your teaching, or you're focusing on something. Say, I want you to focus on this area, or I want you to focus, like in that area for someone. So you can draw lots of things, and then if it is a video, you can increase the speed as well, and you've got other options. As I said, you can have a PNG of the file, so just when you finish, you can just get it, and then you can get calibration. Imagine, for instance, a distance. This distance, it's about 30 centimeter, right? Then everything else goes back to you can see centimeter. You can see this is from my shoulders, like, yeah, roughly correct. So you should understand that this is 2D and angles might change, etc., right? Like any other software, you can just delete and everything else, or just like get export, or what you can see here. You can also go back and open a media, right? So let's say, I don't know, like sort of a video that you want to play, and then this is already being done. Yeah, so someone is doing it, like this is again me, right? And then you can focus on this one. Say you want to get an angle again, this angle or that angle, and you can just let it go, and the like. Everything that you did on online real time, you can do it on this one. Enjoy it while we made it free for now as cat.poseiq.com.